Want your holiday home to feel relaxed, earthy, and full of soul? Boho Christmas Decor blends natural textures, handmade details, and eclectic charm for a warm, free-spirited holiday vibe. With soft tones, macrame accents, and vintage pieces, it's Christmas, boho style. Let's dive into these cozy, creative decorating ideas. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What wreath styles work for boho Christmas? Use a minimal hoop wreath with dried florals, pampas grass, or eucalyptus. Asymmetrical designs with ribbon or lace add a handcrafted, organic look to your entry. Wreaths with wild charm? Tap like if your door says cozy and creative. What tree skirt and stockings fit the look? Use a woven rug or layered blanket for the tree skirt. Choose stockings in macrame, linen, or chunky knit styles. Add tassels or beads for extra handmade detail. Trimmings with texture, like this if your accents feel soft and simple. What lighting feels right for boho holiday style? Use warm white fairy lights, lanterns, or globe bulbs. Layer string lights around macrame or greenery. Stick with amber tones to create a soft, dreamy ambience. Lighting with soul? Like this if your space glows from the inside out. What kind of table decor complements this theme? Layer a neutral runner with wood chargers, ceramic dishes, and amber glassware. Use fresh greenery, handmade candles, and woven napkin rings for an inviting setting. Table full of texture? Like this if your table's ready for soulful feasting. What kind of Christmas tree matches boho style? Use a real or artificial tree in a basket or seagrass planter. Decorate with dried oranges, yarn garlands, tassels, and wood or clay ornaments for earthy elegance. Tree rooted in calm, like this if your tree feels handmade and heartfelt. What are good DIY ideas for this style? Create clay ornaments, yarn stars, paper snowflakes, or hand-dyed napkins. Use natural materials and muted tones for easy crafts that feel personal and heartfelt. Crafting with calm, like this if your hands make your holidays special. How do I start a boho Christmas theme? Begin with a soft palette of creams, rust, olive, and blush. Add in wood accents, woven textures, and lots of layered textiles. Keep it natural, relaxed, and personal. Boho vibes beginning? Like this if your holiday starts with warmth and whimsy. How do I create a boho-inspired garland? Try a strand of wooden beads, dried citrus slices, or felt balls. Drape it on mantels, trees, or walls. Add macramé or fringe details for a touch of cozy texture. Garland with soul? Like this if your strands are naturally beautiful. How do I bring boho Christmas into the bedroom? Add fairy lights to the headboard, a small tabletop tree, and woven baskets of greenery. Layer the bed with cozy throws, soft linens, and festive pillow accents. Restful and radiant, like this if your room feels dreamy and seasonal. How can I make the mantle feel boho? Drape garlands of wood beads or fringe. Add candle clusters, natural greenery, and ceramic or woven accents. include hanging stockings in linen, knit, or fringe fabrics. Mantle magic made mellow, like this if your fireplace radiates calm. How can I keep the space feeling balanced? Use a few key colors, mix textures thoughtfully, and leave breathing room. Focus on cozy moments, personal touches, and layers of light to keep things grounded. Peaceful and pulled together? Like this if your space breathes beauty. Can I mix vintage with boho Christmas decor? Absolutely. Incorporate thrifted brass candlesticks, antique mirrors, or old ceramic pieces. Mixing eras adds character and depth to the relaxed bohemian look. Timeless and textured? Like this if your vintage finds fit right in. Boho Christmas Decor is cozy, soulful, and uniquely yours. With layered textures, natural tones, and handmade charm, your holiday home becomes a retreat of warmth and ease. Celebrate the season with creativity, calm, and a touch of magic. Inspired by boho cheer? Like and check back for more heartwarming holiday ideas.